In this video, I'm going to show you how to crochet a pattern using a diagram. So this one is basic US term crochet diagram. And first we're gonna start with single crochet. So this is the sign of single crochet, just X. And this is the abbreviation SC. So to begin, I have here an example. Let's begin. First, this is a chain. The circle ones are the chain. So how many chains here? We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So I'm gonna chain 6. So you can see there is a number here, meaning we begin in this round here. Number 1 and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We have chain 6. So first we're going to make a slip knot. I have here a slip knot, and now I'm going to chain 6. 1, 2, yarn over and pull through, 3, yarn over and pull through, 4, yarn over and pull through, 5, yarn over and pull through. So we have here 6 chain in total. And now we're going, this is our round 1. Okay, that is our round 1. And now we begin to round 2. So here it says we are going to make a single crochet. So as you can see here, X means single crochet, 1 single crochet in the second chain. So 1, 2. So like this. So let's count 1, 2, insert your hook, yarn over and pull. 2 loops in your hook, yarn over and pull through 2 loops. That is our first single crochet. Okay? And now we have here 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 single crochet per stitches or per chain. So 1, 2, 3, and 4. So we have 4 single crochet in total, and we're gonna place that 1 single crochet in each of the chain. So we're gonna do that. That is for our round 2. Go to the next chain, place 1 single crochet. Go to the next chain, insert your hook, yarn over and pull, yarn over, pull through 2 loops. Go to the next chain, yarn over and pull, yarn over and pull through 2 loops in your hook. Go to the last chain, insert your hook, yarn over and pull through 2 loops. Yarn over, pull through 2 loops, and this is your work should look like in your round 2. So as you can see, very easy to read. So now we go to round 3. I'm done with round 2. So it says here I'm going to chain 1. So you always have to look at this circle here before this one here, and then this one means round 3, then this one means chain 1. And then this one's here, 1 single crochet on the top, 1 single crochet on the top of the previous single crochet. So this one, 1 single crochet on the top of the previous single crochet, 1 single crochet in the next previous single crochet, 1 single crochet in the next previous single crochet, 1 single crochet in the previous single crochet, 1 single crochet in the previous single crochet. So like this, chain 1, yarn over and pull through. So I'm done with the circle here. That's what I did just right now. And then turn. We have to turn because we are working this way. This way. And now insert your hook, it says here in the very first single crochet, so one single crochet on the top of the very first single crochet in the previous round. So don't skip anything. So after chain one, go to the first stitch here and yarn over and pull. Yarn over, pull through 2 loops. Then after that, just make 1 single crochet per stitches or per single crochet in the previous round. 1, 2, 3, 4. You have to make sure it is only 1 single crochet here, 1x only. So 1x on the top of the previous x, 1x on the top of the previous x, meaning 1 single crochet per stitches. So let's do that. Insert your hook in the next stitch, place 1 single crochet. Insert your hook in the next stitch, place 1 single crochet. Insert your hook in the next stitch, place 1 single crochet. Insert your hook in the last stitch and then place your last and final single crochet. There you go. This is how it looks like when you're done with it. So now you have to make sure you have the right stitches. So we have here 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, and this chain 1 is not included, or depends to the designer if this is included or not. But for me, I would not count this as a stitch, so I would only count the single crochet or the X. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 single crochet in total, or 5 stitches in total. And let's count that here. 1, 2, 3, 4, and last one, 5. So I have a correct number of stitches according to my pattern diagram here. So it's very easy to read. So that is for our single crochet US term. And now let's move on to the next example. So my next example actually is placing 2 single crochet in 1 stitch. So this one. So I will take this out and I'm gonna begin again. I'm gonna make a slip knot first, like that, and then this is my number 1. As you can see, you have to see where is your number 1. Where is the number, meaning that to where is the number, meaning there where you have to begin. So number 1, you have to chain. This circle is a chain, remember that. So 1, 2, 3, and 4. So we have to chain 4 plus the circle here. There is another circle here actually, so we have to chain 5, so that is counted. Or you can begin first with chain 4. 1, 2, 3, and last one, 4. So that is our round 1. Chain 4. And then round 2, I have to go here. As you can see, I only chain 4 because I want to show you this one here. So I have to chain 1 to begin my single crochet in round 2. So like this, chain 1. So this is for this one here, the circle. And now I have to make 1 single crochet in the second chain from your hook. So 1, 2, and on the top, 1 single crochet. So we are going to apply that here. Insert your hook in the second chain from your hook. So 1, 2, second chain from your hook, insert your hook, yarn over, pull, 2 loops in your hook, yarn over, pull through 2. I just make 1 single crochet, and then it says here 1 single crochet per stitches or per chain. Since we have this X on the top of the previous chain, X on the top of the previous chain, 1X on the top of the previous chain. So 1 single crochet per chain. So let's make that. This is kind of the same with the one we had before, and I'm gonna show you the difference next. 1 single crochet per chain. So I am here in the last chain. I am making this one the last one, and that's it for your round 1. Okay, and now I'm going to round 3 since we are done with round 2. So chain 1, as you can see here, round 3, it says here there is a circle here, meaning chain 1. So we have to chain 1, yarn over and pull through. Then after that, there is 2x on the top of the x below, 1x below, and then 2x above. That means 2 single crochet in 1 stitch, or in the very first stitch in the previous round. So since we are making the single crochet in the previous round, we're gonna make 2 single crochet in the next round, as it says here in our pattern. So place 2 single crochet, 2 single crochet in the first stitch, like this. Go to the first stitch, insert your hook, yarn over and pull, and place 1 single crochet. And then in the same stitch, insert your hook and make 1 single crochet again, like this, because it says here 2 single crochet in 1 stitch. So we call this stitches here. And then it says here 2 single crochet in each of the stitches. So 2 single crochet on the top of the previous 1 single crochet. So let's place 2 single crochet on the top of the previous single crochet. Go to the next stitch, place 2 single crochet, 1, and insert your hook in the same stitch, place 1 single crochet. So now we are here, place 2 single crochet in the next stitch. Again, go to the same stitch, insert your hook, make 1 single crochet. And here we are in our last stitch, insert your hook, place 2 single crochet there, 1 more in the same stitch since we have another 1x there, and there you go. That's how it look like. And make sure to count how many stitches we have here. Let's see, 1, how many x? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we should have 8 stitches in total. Chain 1 doesn't count as a stitch. So let's count. 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and last one 8. So it's correct. We read the right pattern. It's important to read to count the number of stitches. And that's it. So now I'm gonna show you this example here. We are going to double crochet. It's the same with this one, but the only difference is this is a double crochet. 2 double crochet on the top of the previous double crochet. Our number 1 is here. After seeing the number 1, meaning we are going to start here. So let's count how many chain. 1, 2, 3, 4, and I'm gonna include this right away. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So we have to chain 7. Okay. Make a slip knot first. Chain 7. Chain 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and last one 7. So I have here a total of chain 7. So this is for our round 1. Now round 2, we're not gonna make this because since we have this already, we are going to jump to the next chain, which is in the 4th chain from your hook. So your hook should be here, and then let's count 1, 2, 3, 4. So in the 4th chain from your hook, we're gonna place 1 double crochet. So this is a double crochet, this sign. DC means double crochet. DC is the abbreviation. So like this. So I'm gonna go here, so you can see in this one here, yarn over, go to the 4th chain from your hook. So let's count 1, 2, 3, and 4. Insert your hook there, make sure it is in the 4th chain, and then yarn over and pull through. So I have here 3 loops in my hook, yarn over and pull through 2 loops in your hook, and then repeat, yarn over and pull through 2 loops in your hook. That is our second double crochet. So this is considered as first double crochet, and this is considered, this is our second double crochet. And then here in our diagram, it says 1 double crochet per chain. So 1 double crochet in the next chain. So we're gonna repeat that, 1, and yarn over, like this, yarn over, and go to the next chain, since this one is in the next chain. Insert your hook, yarn over and pull 3 loops in your hook, yarn over, pull through 2, and yarn over, pull through 2. Go to the next chain, and it says 1 double crochet. So it's all 1 double crochet. So it means 1 double crochet per chain. And then go to the next or to the last chain, yarn over, insert your hook in the last chain, yarn over and pull, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. And this is your work should look like, as you can see. So make sure you have the right number of stitches. And this is for our video today, and I hope you learned something, how to read a diagram crochet pattern, basic in US term. And that's all for this video. Bye.